back to my channel. So for today's video, you guys, I am low-key scared because I am basically going to be finally dyeing my hair, and I'm going to be dyeing it pink. I don't know if I'm going to be dyeing the whole thing pink or just the bottom pink. I will probably make a split decision while I'm applying it. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. I got a conditioner thingy. I don't know if it's a dye conditioner, I believe. I got it from Amazon. It's called Color CLENDITIONER. So that's what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. I have been bleaching my hair for the past maybe 3 months. Like, you know, to not like completely ruin my hair. So I kind of did it like this so that by the time I got the conditioner or the CLENDITIONER or the color, it wouldn't be damaging. But at the same time, this is gonna be very interesting. I'm kind of scared. My phone. This is what it looks like, and I got, like I said, I got it from Amazon, so I'll leave the link in the description box down below, you guys. But I'm so scared. I've been wanting to do this for maybe 2 or 3 years, maybe a little more, who knows. But I can't wait. If you guys want to see me do this to my hair, stick around, continue, subscribe to the channel, you guys. I just can't wait to try this, and I'm really scared because I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it, and I don't know if I should just do the ends first to kind of like, you know, put one foot in the water first. But yeah, I'm gonna change my shirt and everything, and I don't know, I guess that's all. So I'm gonna go get a shirt that I don't care if it gets pink dye on it, and then I'm gonna apply it here on camera. So I will be right back with a different shirt. Okay, so I got this shirt, my boyfriend's shirt. I always ruin my boyfriend's shirts when I'm about to dye my hair. Sorry, Alex, but you know, it's for a good cause. Okay, so I'm putting on some gloves. Okay, let's put the other glove on. And you guys, I feel like I'm gonna probably do it on my whole hair. I did see a girl's video, just in case I do not like it and I can take it off. She did like a combination of like some developer and I think, I don't know if it was like not hydrogen peroxide, but what's the other one, like the Arm & Hammer baking soda, baking powder, what, that stuff. And then she did like some Dawn soap and it was able to come off. But anyway, let's just have a positive vibe and hope it comes out good. So I do know that I saw the reviews on these, and it said that the best result, you would get the best result if you just apply it on dry hair. So my hair is dry right now, and I did notice with my purple shampoo though, because you know the purple cancels out all the brassiness out of your hair. The purple shampoo, if you put it on wet hair, it does go on it, like it does I guess attach to the hair, the conditioner, but not as much as if it was dry. So I'm scared. I'm so scared, you guys. I'm gonna take a little pump and see what it looks like. So let's pump some out. Oh, I gotta, there you go. Oh, some of it already came out. Well, it looks like the color of that, what it's gonna be. But yeah, I'll give you guys another look, and this is what it is. I hope it's yeah, okay, so I hope I was focused. So I'm gonna pump out a little bit. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. It's not the dark. I got the light pink, by the way. I got the light pink because I don't think the dark pink will look good. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my hair, and we're just gonna go ahead and be ballsy and just apply it on my whole head. And I hope it attaches to it because my hair is not the lightest. This does smell so good and actually leaves your hair feeling good. I don't know, it's not as dark as I thought it was gonna be. And of course my phone wants to die right now. So I'm gonna hurry up and quickly try to add it to most of my hair. And I'm literally not even paying attention to where it's going. So just know if the camera dies, I literally just put it all over my hair like this.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes. Alright guys, so this is the result of the Clenditioner, the light pink color. It is a very light pink, but of course I have to keep in mind that it is the first application, and I did leave it for more than 10 minutes. I left it for 15 minutes. I don't know if it's gonna show the color that it looks, but I think it's true to color from what I'm looking on the camera. All in all, do I like it? I think, to be honest, I like the fact that it wasn't such a drastic change, I think, because when I first put it on and I washed it off, and you know, you can never tell with wet hair, but I was like, okay, it doesn't look too dramatic, so it won't scare me all the way. But to be honest, I do like it. I can't wait to do another application, and we're gonna see how it's gonna look. Comment down below what you guys think. I cannot believe I did this finally. I'm gonna keep putting the conditioner, and I'll keep you guys updated on a second application or a third application. And I'll try to take pictures as well. So like I said, I'll leave everything in the description box. I'll leave the conditioner. And if you go on Amazon and you try to order any different color, they do have like teal, turquoisey colors, blue, red, purple, pink, dark pink, rose gold. To me, honestly, it kind of reminds me a little bit of rose gold. I don't know if it's because there's still a little bit of brassiness under my color that I bleached myself. But all in all, what do you guys think? I really want to hear you guys' opinion. Are you guys excited to see a second application? Let me know in the comments down below, or let me know, you guys, if you guys have actually used any of these products. All right guys, it was pretty easy to do, but that's pretty much it. I gotta go. I'm happy that you guys came back to my channel, so thank you guys so much. And like I always say, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the post notification bell button so you guys are notified every time I upload new videos on this channel. And I will be back with more tutorials, nail reviews. Oh wait, before I go, I'm gonna give a shout out. Alright, so my last video was the Vanillisa unboxing kind of review video. If you guys haven't checked it out, go check it out. But today's post notification shout out goes to Candy Wolfie. Hi hon, thank you so much for commenting down below. She always comments down below, and she said love your vids, and then she actually commented a second time, but she was first. Love you honey, thank you so much for commenting. Love you guys always for commenting and supporting. Bye guys, God bless. Bye.
Even after all of these